Assalamualaikum and hi kids. Welcome to Sound It Right session 11. In this session, you are going to learn how to sound these groups of words. OY, IR, UE, and AW. For letters OY, we sound it as oi, oi, oi. Now let's look at words that has the sound oi. Toy, toy, toy. Boy, boy, boy. Soy, soy, soy. Koi, koi, koi. For letters IR, we sound it as a. Now let's look at the words that has the sound a. Stir, stir, stir. Shirt, shirt, shirt. Skirt, skirt, skirt. Bird, bird, bird. For letters UE, you sound it as oo, oo, oo. Now let's look at the words that has sound oo. Blue, blue, blue. Q, Q, Q. Tissue, tissue, tissue. Glue, glue, glue. For letters AW, we sound it as O, O, O. Now let's look at the words that has the sound O. Claw, claw, claw. Yawn, yawn, yawn. Fawn, fawn, fawn. Straw, straw, straw. Alright kids, that's all for now. Thank you. See you in the next video. Bye.